A bomber built for greatness disappeared far too quickly, leaving behind a story the world never fully understood. It looked powerful on the outside, but inside it carried problems that shaped its tragic path. This aircraft was created to lead the skies, but destiny had something very different in store. Its time in service was shockingly short, making it one of the rarest machines of its era. The answers behind its failure are hidden deep within its troubled engines. Its beginning was bright and full of promise, giving hope to those who designed it. Today, not a single Manchester is left anywhere in the world. Only old memories and faded documents remain to tell its story. The truth behind this lost bomber lives inside its complex and forgotten design. This is the story of the Avro Manchester, a machine built with hope but lost in time. It was a twin-engine bomber from Britain, created during the hardest years of the war. Avro engineers put their skill and courage into designing this ambitious machine. It was built to fly far at night, carrying heavy loads into enemy territory. 7 crew members worked together inside its narrow and crowded interior. Its wings were large and impressive, giving the aircraft a strong presence in the sky. On paper, the Manchester seemed like a perfect answer to the war. 2 engines were meant to give it power, speed, and the ability to carry weight. Britain believed this aircraft would become a major force in the air. Early test flights gave people hope that everything would work out. But hidden inside the aircraft were problems no one had expected. It used new engines called the Vulture, designed with a bold but risky idea. These engines were made by joining 2 smaller engines into one large unit. The concept was creative, but in real flights, the engine struggled badly. Engine failures happened again and again, putting everyone in danger. Many missions ended with emergency landings and damaged aircraft. Pilots had a difficult time keeping the Manchester stable during flights. Even with its problems, crews respected what the aircraft could have become. But every week, the issues grew faster than anyone could solve them. Engineers worked hard, changing parts and redesigning systems to help it survive. But the engine at the core of the aircraft was simply too unstable to fix. Engine failures increased during missions, turning each flight into a serious risk. Crews felt fear every time they took off, knowing the engines could fail at any moment. The bomber could not carry the heavy loads the war demanded. Its range was shorter than promised, limiting where it could travel. Heat problems made the engines even more unreliable during long flights. Reports of losses continued to rise, forcing commanders to rethink the aircraft's future. Production ended early after only a few hundred units were built. The entire project was stopped and the Manchester was removed from service. A new bomber, the Avro Lancaster, took its place and changed aviation history. Today, all Manchesters are gone, leaving behind empty fields and silent memories. The Manchester has vanished, but its lessons about ambition and risk still remain. It proved that even strong ideas can fail when their foundation is weak. But its failure opened the way for one of the greatest bombers ever made. The Manchester paved the road so the Lancaster could rise to success. Through stories like this, we keep extinct machines alive in our minds. Lost aircraft remind us how quickly history can shift and disappear. Every extinct design leaves behind lessons that help shape the future. If you enjoy discovering forgotten and vanished machines, this journey is for you. Stay with us as we continue exploring the past and uncovering hidden stories. Subscribe to the channel because many more extinct stories are waiting for you.